Hello students, in this module we are going to learn in detail about two most important industries. They are major industry and they include the iron and steel industry, cotton and textile industries. So let us begin with the iron and steel industry. Now, the iron and steel industry is also known as a basic industry. What we known as? It is also known as basic industry, or because it is provide the basis for operation of other industries. So here we can see that all these roll of steel are used by other industries for making several things. Here the reinforcement are used for construction purposes. All these structure that we can see, they are used for several purposes or for manufacturing several big and small things like screw, nails, etc. Now the iron and steel industry is a heavy industry because it uses bulky raw materials and its input include iron ore, limestone, manganese, labor, and use infrastructure. Now, refining of iron is done in a blast. Now, this is a structure which you will find commonly in all those iron and steel mines which are making big iron, or it is fed, the blast furnaces is fed with the one that has a lot of impurities along with lime and lot of hot air gases are being burst into it, which helps in melting these iron. That is, it separates the slag or the impurities from the iron, and the metal pure iron is obtained to this molten pure iron. Carbon is added to make steel. So this is how steel is manufactured. Now, as far as distribution of iron and steel industry is concerned, the USA has large number of iron and steel producing center. Here you can see clusters of iron and steel industry in the northeastern part of the USA, and the producing center include Alabama, Pittsburgh, Youngstown, Chicago, and Gary. All these industries were clustered over here because of the ability of a large number of the raw materials which are found in this locality, and that has helps the iron and steel industry to flourish in USA in this particular reach. Elsewhere in Europe, we find there are several well-developed and steel industry, and they are located in United Kingdom, France, Germany, Luxembourg, Poland, Belgium, Sweden and Ukraine. Russia and China also have huge number of iron and steel industries. Apart from that, Brazil, Venezuela, South Africa, Japan are coming other iron and steel producing countries in the world. In India, the iron and steel industry are concentrated in the Chota Nagpur and Deccan Plateaus region. Again I repeat, in India, the iron and steel industry are concentrated in the Chota Nagpur and Deccan Plateaus region. The main center are Jamshedpur, Bokaro in Jharkhand, Kulti in West Bengal, Bhilai and Raurkela in Chhattisgarh, and so on respectively. There we can find the iron and steel industry have developed in those areas. Actually, more center name is there, Vijayanagar, Visakhapatnam and so on. And we are found in evidence because these help in cutting down of transportation cost, and that reduces the price of the production. Okay.